guys, I'm going to show you how to do a lat pull down. So lat pull downs obviously are going to work your back, your latissimus dorsi, but they're also going to throw in a little bit of biceps, a little bit of forearms as some supporting muscles. So set up a cable machine. Have the arms up nice and high, but also out at a little bit of an angle. This should be so that when you grasp the handles, your arms are quite a bit outside of your shoulders. If you're going to do this movement standing, I like to do a little bit of a split stance, so a lunge, but keeping the weight, keeping the cable machine right above my shoulders. From here, you're taking and squeezing your shoulder blades together as you drive your elbows down in the back. So arms come from out the side, elbows drive down into your body. Something to visualize is that you're trying to squeeze an orange between your shoulder blades at the bottom of this lat pull down movement. Okay? And if you do this movement seated, it's a nice way. A lot of gyms have a regular lat pull down machine, so you can be seated. Just make sure you maintain your chest lifted and you're really going through the back. You want to visualize feeling your lats squeeze together. That is a lat pull down. I'm going to show you a couple variations of a lat pull down. So if you have a nice cable machine, that's fantastic. You can do your lat pull down from here. If you are having any trouble really feeling this movement in your back, I suggest moving to a lat pull down pulse. So a lat pull down pulse, you're going to grasp the handles, get into a nice split squat or split stance here. Chest is lifted and lower abs are tight. And you pull down, so the pulse is at the bottom. You are just squeezing your lats together, squeeze your shoulder blades so that it's nice and tight. So that's your lat pull down pulse here. If you don't have a machine, that's okay. One thing I like to do is use a band. So you can either use a band set up high over something and pull from there, or if you don't have a way to do that, grab a band here and you're going to hold it overhead. So band between your thumbs and you're going to be pulling down in front of your chest. So it's that same movement. Arms are just a very soft bend in your elbows, but you're coming from the top and pulling all the way down, squeezing your shoulder blades together. So whether or not you have a ton of equipment, you can still get a really good back workout with a set of bands. And then if you're doing this lat pull down as pulses with a band, it's literally here, small pulsing movement. Nice and controlled. Okay, and those are some lat pull down variations.